welcome. How are you? If you're new to my channel, hello, hello. If you're returning, hello, hello. Hello, hello. 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 So today is a Foundation Friday, and I'm trying out the Tartist Rainforest of the Sea. Left my package upstairs. I will have it at the end of the day for how it wore through the day. I also did my eyes in a very strange way today. I never wear blue eyeshadow. For me, it feels very 1978 or something, but I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was kind of a cool look. So I'm going to try it out today. See how it goes. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this fabulousness that is this mermaidy eye makeup, I figured Rainforest of the Sea you needed to use a mermaid eyeshadow. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. So I'm going to see how the whole thing wears today, and yeah, if you want to see how I accomplished this look, hang on. I tend to zoom it through so it's very fast. You can let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial about doing an eye look like this, or where I would actually take time and really do it as opposed to just, you know, going through it really fast, because I'll probably have it about 8 times faster, or however fast I can make it, to go through putting the actual application on. Most of it is the same way I do it every time, so if people are really interested in how I apply makeup, I'm happy to do a tutorial that would go more in depth. I'm wearing the Smashbox Photo Fishes. It's a very fishy kind of video today. I am wearing the Smash Photo Finish primer. I'm wearing the Tartist Rainforest of the Sea. Probably got that name wrong. My eye makeup is everything that I had in my... I started with the base was the Too Faced Peach palette. I used some of the Urban Decay, not the electric palette, the other one. That's all the shades. Then I used some Makeup Revolution from their Color Chaos palette, and then I did my highlight with the Lush liquid in silver, and I have my e.l.f. Guerlain mix face powder to set my makeup, and then I put on a little bit of the Makeup Revolution Sun-Kissed bronzer and a little bit of contour, again Makeup Revolution, and some blush from Makeup Revolution as well. But I mean, I can try and list all that below. I always say I'm going to list stuff and then I don't, which I apologize for. So that being said, why don't you hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see me again, and you can also hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post my madness. And sit back, relax, and watch the video, and then you'll see me at the end and see what you think. We will see together what we think about how the foundation held up. Okay, see ya. of the day with my melted makeup. Certainly the eyes are looking pretty dark under here now, but that has more to do with the fact that I've also been at my workout class. So kickboxing, actually it wasn't kickboxing, it was afterburn today and I'm in pain, but there you go. So I really expected to not like this foundation. I was really expecting that I was going to be like, it's not worth it for the money. And I found myself actually Googling to see how much it was. It was incredibly comfortable on my face. The coverage is pretty good. Like you can still see my dark spots at the end of the day, but the wear was wonderful. It stayed really nicely. I don't know if that's the foundation or the primer. That I should double check. But I really liked this foundation. It felt so comfortable. It didn't feel like I was wearing anything, and I think it's lasted pretty well. I mean, I go out of focus for my eyes once I get this close, but I didn't get that flakiness that I normally get. I mean, it's worn off where I put my glasses on and off, and worn off places where I was working out and brushing, but that's to be expected. So at this point, I would say this is definitely a thumbs up for me. I would definitely consider purchasing this. I probably have another amount left for a trial. So if I try it again and I try it with a different primer and I hate it, I will come back and I will update and let you know. But at this point, I say thumbs up to the Tart Rainforest of the Sea. Weirdest name ever, but that's what it's called. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like, or a thumbs down. You do you, I'll do me. We'll all be happy. Thanks again. So please leave a comment. Say if you've tried this, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you have a Holy Grail foundation, because I am always looking for a good foundation. Prefer one cheaper than this, but you know, it is what it is. See ya.